Good morning, this is Mary Lane from the Buying Space channel. Today I bring you yet another unboxing, and yet again from Barbie and Ken. I suppose Barbie and Ken are the jewelers and the YouTube channel that I buy from the most. I really like their products. I really enjoy spending time with Barbie and Ken on their auction. They're such an adorable couple, and they, you know, they just complement each other so well. It's a joy to see. And they have giveaways. On this auction, they had a jewelry jar giveaway. And the thing is, anymore, I go to bed early, and I wake up really early. Today I overslept. I slept till 6:30. Usually we'll get up at 4, but my hours have been off a little this week. So here I am, Monday morning. Looking at my jewelry. I am really surprised I waited this long, but I did have some Bible readings to do yesterday, so I did wait to open these wonderful items. Okay, cool. I wondered if I would get this way. I'm so happy. This was, I think, $3. Yeah. And for $3. Oh, good. They put it on a card. That's neat. I guess you could say that I got these items for $1 each because the lot was $3 and there are 3 items. Oh, maybe 4. Hold on. Because this was also part of this. I guess that's a bracelet for a child. And then these 2 items were together. Oh, and yet a third item. Oh my goodness. That's right. There was okay, there was a $5 item. I forget which one of these came with the 3 together, and then I'm not doing very well this Monday morning. I think I need some coffee. Okay, here we go. This white tissue paper will work just fine this morning. It's a beautiful cross. Very detailed. I love this cross. Here we go. Wonderful. And we have a choker. And we have another choker. And this is, yeah, it's double-stranded choker with this wonderful large flower on it. That's just beautiful. And let's see what other goodies I have. I'm doing this while my daughter's asleep. She's got in the habit of coming in and picking out what she wants as I unbox. Of course, she'll see the video later. So she's learned to watch my videos to see what she wants. Oh yes, this is a classical chain. this pattern that this chain is. Also, I've noticed that it is like, is kind of the same pattern you see on some pottery in China. This link box with the link circles in between. It's very classic. But I hadn't seen a necklace like that in a long time. And this one absolutely is for my daughter. The rest of it, she might take all of it. Except for the cross is mine. But this is from Harry Potter. This is an item that Hermione had. It's not going to lay flat. Well, but it's a time stopper or time travel device that Hermione used in an episode where they needed to go back in time to change something, and in Harry Potter. So it has a little, in the middle, it has a little hourglass, and you can make it, all these rings you can change to where they're three-dimensional. Very, very nice. I had looked at buying one of these for her a long time ago, but she still loves her Harry Potter, and so we can have a Harry Potter marathon this weekend, this coming weekend, and near Halloween we do that anyway. We have several items or movies we watch. We watch The Addams Family, and we watch The Nightmare Before Christmas, and we watch Harry Potter, and we have a whole bunch of others that we watch traditionally this time of year, because it's the fall, it's pumpkin spice season, and Halloween is coming up, and it's, besides Christmas, it is our favorite holiday. Well, have a nice day, everyone. Enjoy your day. Give me a like, a thumbs up if you like my video. If you want to see more of my unboxing videos or my Bible readings, hit the subscribe button and hit the little all bell. You can actually bring a menu up on the bell and click all, and that way you get a notice every time I make a video.